So guys, first method, right click to device manager. Then guys, extract universal bus. Okay, so when your USB dongle, Wi-Fi dongle is not working, you just connect and disconnect. Anything happening here, you can see here automatically refresh. So guys, use different, nobody has happening any activity on this here when you connecting to your system. So try to understand and try to another port. Okay, then guys, next method to it will some repair and detect your dongles for the repairing for some commands I will give you. Okay. Next, so this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third. Then last.